So in my last video, I told you that if anything is to happen to the crypto market or to Bitcoin, the charts show you. Now it has, and I do not know why no one is talking about it. I am going to talk about it, and sadly it is not what you will like. What I have seen suggests that next week will be a bloodbath. Let's jump right into the charts, shall we? Now, if you do appreciate these short form videos, if you want me to post regularly short form videos, if I'm not chanced to make a longer video, let me know down below. I would like to know your feedback on this. And of course, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, let me just get rid of this line so that we can see the charts clearly. Now, the other time I talked about this on Instagram, and it was surprising to me that some people don't understand what this represents. This, my friends, is a bearish engulfing pattern. When you see a green candle like this in front of a red candle like this, it is a bearish engulfing pattern. Now, bearish means the price will go down like so. Now, this is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame right here. So you see week. And what do we see on the weekly? We see a bearish engulfing pattern. Now, this tells us that Bitcoin will soon dump here. In most cases, when we do have a bearish engulfing pattern like so, the next week is most likely bullish. The week after that is most likely bearish. This suggests that next week will be bearish. The week after that will also be bearish. We can see a clear example of this here. So we see a bearish engulfing pattern here. This is also a bearish engulfing pattern, and it is somewhat like so. Now, I will leave the link to my technical analysis tutorials down below, my complete beginner technical analysis tutorials down below. I would love that you understand exactly what I am talking about here. Now, another thing that I wanted to point out here is the bear flag that we see here. So this is a flag that we see here. This is a bear flag, and many people are not talking about this. So when you see price going down like this and forming a consolidation like so, you may have some pumps like this, but this generally is a bear flag, and this of course is that flag. When we go to the 4-hourly time frame here, we see something else. This is a triple bottom right here. So this would work like this. This right here would work like so. And this right here will give us a price target of 48k, 48,848. What a funny number. Now, keep in mind, this is very close to 50k, and I've been talking about 50k. You all know that. Now, this is how close it is to 50k. So we see 50k right here. Now, it's important to note that the 49,800, now the $49,587 level is a very important level, and you might be like, why? Now, if you did watch my video on Fibonacci extensions and retracements, then you know exactly what the 0.5 golden ratio stands for. I will leave the link to the video down in the description, telling you how exactly these lines came about and why they are so important for your trading. So, as we have just seen in the charts, the 49,500 level is the 0.5 golden ratio. This will pose as a very strong zone of resistance for price. That might mean taking profits. So, to round things up, if this does happen this week, and I mean this week, if we do retest 49 to 50k this week, you know what to do. Of course, always do your own research. Know that this is just edutainment. This is not financial advice at all. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this one. Like the video if you did enjoy it. If you want more shorter videos and price updates in the moment, let me know down in the comments. See you in the next video.